Children need to be protected, as it is the duty of every society and government to make sure that the right of every child is protected, as children are seen to be vulnerable to a lot of hazard in life. So it is the duty of everyone having the relationship with a child to make sure that the child is protected. Thus, in making sure that a child's right is being protected in the society, the Child Protection Network of Lagos State have therefore come together to train child rescuers and data officials on the Lagos State Code of Conduct and signing of child protection policy, principles and dynamics of child protection case management, and the child protection legal framework. Speaking at the training ground, the state coordinator of the Child Protection Network of Lagos State, Aderoke Oyelakin, alongside the National Deputy Coordinator of the Child Protection Network of Nigeria, Ngozi Okoro, aired their opinion on the training.
We realize that they can't do so much if we don't have a special set of people handling these cases of abuse in the local government. So that was what brought about this program, and we approached SOS. We wrote a letter and the proposal was granted, and we are so happy that they're supporting this move to train all the 40 LGA rescue officers and to train 20 data officers, because when you go to the field to rescue a child and you have all the information, we also need to impute in the system the kind of work we've done, the status of the case and what has been done, and that will be submitted to the Lagos State government, because we have a coordinated database for Lagos State on sexual abuse and domestic violence, and so we're going to sort that out and be able to share data of such occurrences in the state to be able to even know where is even more prevalence in the local governments in Lagos State.
So need to train them, because we have a template for reporting and we have a procedure for rescue, what you need to know. Because as a rescue officer, we're talking about children. You have to understand that children have rights, they have their responsibilities. Then we talk of child protection, what you're supposed to do as a child protection officer, how to empower the children on how to protect themselves. The children need to protect themselves, and they need to run away when they see signs of abuse, or when they see other children that are being abused. They also need to do what? To report.
The training is a very powerful one, because if you do not know the job, there's no way you'll be able to go out there to rescue anybody. There's so many things involved in this training. You're going to learn about the child rights law. You're also going to learn on how to collect all the data on quarterly basis to be able to submit to the state, to know how the quantity, the number of children that are being abused.
Other participants also aired their views on the training.
In Child Protection Network, the most important things after rescuing is data. Without data, there's no how you will know the amount of the children that you have rescued, the one that were able to finalize the case, someone who are still pending the case, and the end result of those cases. Without data, there's no how you can achieve that.
We are trying to train the rescue and data officers of the local governments where they are actually working. This is for us to know that at least whatever is done and it is not put on record is not done, because whatever is not recorded is not done. So we are actually looking at a situation whereby children are rescued appropriately, and then there are also data to follow that up.
The whole essence of doing this is the fact that we need a vibrant workforce, people who are skilled and able to prevent and respond to issues of child abuse. It is not enough for us to say we are safeguarding children or we are protecting children. If people do not know what they are supposed to do, they end up abusing children.
The Lagos State Child Protection Network will respect individuals, implying that each person is regarded as autonomous and given the necessary information and tools to make his or her own decision. The respect includes developing an understanding of some cultural norms and treating a child as a citizen equal to an adult while taking the necessary precaution with respect to his or her age.